This question says that in this circuit, the current A through the 4 ohm resistor connected across AB is 1 upon n amperes. So we have to find n. Okay. That means basically we have to find the current through this resistor 4 ohms. Okay. So what we can do, we can try to assign potentials for a few points and then try to find out the current. So let's say this point, I'll start with any one point. Let's say this point has a potential of 0, let's say. So this point here will be 8. So 8, any 2 point connected by a simple wire, okay, a connecting wire, they are at the same potential, right? So this point here is also potential 8, this point is also at a potential 8. Okay, so this is at potential 8, and hence this is going to be at 13, right? This is again increase, this will increase and become 13. So okay, and this point here is at potential 8 again. Let's say this point here is at potential x. So this point is also at x, this point is also at a potential x. I'll try to apply the junction law for this point. Okay, so let's assume the current coming from this one is I1, current coming from this branch is I2, and current coming from this branch is I3, let's say. Okay, so let's assume, not necessarily that is the direction or those are the directions of the current, but that is what I assume the currents to be. Okay, so all the currents are coming to the same junction. The current doesn't accumulate at any junction. Okay, so that means the current is not going to accumulate, right? Whatever current is coming at a junction has to go away also. But I am assuming that all the current is coming at that junction, so the sum has to be 0, right? That means I1 plus I2 plus I3 has to be 0. Okay, and this point here I have assumed is at potential x, right? For I1 I can write this one, the current is going to be what? This is 8 and this is x. So this current, that is I1, this is I1, right? That is going to be 8 minus x upon 4. That is the current going, this I1 current, okay? Plus I2 is what? This 13. Current flows from high potential to low potential. So 13 minus this point here is at potential x. So 13 minus x, 13 minus x upon 3 is I2. Okay, plus now I3 is what? This is I3. So this is 0 and this point is x, the potential across this 4 ohm. So I3 I can write as 0 minus x upon the resistance 4. Okay, this has to be 0. So I have to simply solve this equation to get the value of x, the potential x, right? So I'll multiply by 12 throughout. I'll get 3 times 8 minus x plus 4 times 13 minus x plus 3 times negative x is equal to 0. That is 24 minus 3x plus 52 minus 4x minus 3x is equal to 0. That is giving me this 6, and 76 is equal to 10x, right? So that means the value of x I am getting as 76 upon 10, right? 76 upon 10 is the value I am getting, right? Now I have to find this I1 current, the current through this 4. Okay, I1 is what? This thing. So that I can write as 8 minus x by 4. That is 8 minus 76 upon 10 and then whole divided by 4. That is going to be 4 upon 10 into 4, that is 1 upon 10. Okay, so the current I1 is nothing but 1 upon 10, right? So 1 by n if it is, that means n is equal to 10 simply, right? So 10 becomes our answer here. Thank you.